Welcome to Explorer Hub. Why did the Scarecrow become a successful travel blogger? Because he was outstanding in his field. Today we're venturing into the land of the Shining Mountains, Montana. Montana is nestled in the Mountain West subregion of the western United States, bordered by Wyoming to the south, Idaho to the west, North and South Dakota to the east, and the beautiful Canadian provinces of Alberta, British Columbia, and Saskatchewan to the north. Montana has several unofficial nicknames, including Big Sky Country, Land of the Shining Mountains, the Last Best Place, and the Treasure State. From glacial lakes and towering mountains to historic mining towns, Montana offers distinctive flavors for every traveler. Big Sky Country is home to millions of acres of national forested lands, wilderness areas, wide open spaces, and modern cities. Join us on Explorer Hub as we embark on a delightful journey to explore Montana. Number 10. Livingston. Livingston, an old railroad town, has been revitalized by the arts. It's surrounded by 4 magnificent mountain ranges and nestled beside the spectacular Yellowstone River. Located midway between Bozeman and Billings, Livingston is a great home base for excursions to Yellowstone National Park, just 55 miles away. Explore Livingston's diverse selection of stores, museums, golf courses, galleries, live performances, and distinctive eateries. This Old West town is today defined by restaurants, art galleries, and a vibrant cultural scene, with easy access to fly fishing, hiking, and hot springs. Number 9. Bighorn Canyon. Bighorn Canyon is the perfect location to relax, camp, hike, or horseback ride. The canyon features a diverse landscape of high deserts, lakes, wetlands, dramatic canyons, broad valleys, and upland prairie. The Afterbay Lake, beneath the Yellowtail Dam, is ideal for trout fishing and wildlife observation. Number 8. Lewis and Clark Caverns State Park. Lewis and Clark Caverns, Montana's first and most well-known state park, features some of the Northwest's most magnificent limestone caverns. These breathtaking caves, illuminated by electricity and filled with stalactites, stalagmites, columns, and helicites, are naturally air-conditioned. The park offers guided tours, hiking, picnicking, canoeing, and wildlife viewing. Number 7. Big Sky. Big Sky is a nature lover's paradise, located near Yellowstone Park in the Gallatin National Forest. This alpine resort spans from the banks of the Gallatin River to the summit of Lone Peak. Whether you're skiing in winter or hiking, mountain biking, fly fishing, golfing, ziplining, and enjoying scenic lift rides in summer, Big Sky has it all. Number 6. Helena. Helena, the state's capital and a hub in the Gold West country, is where many journeys in Montana begin. The Montana State Capitol building offers guided tours, and the city boasts attractions like the Gates of the Mountains, Reader's Alley, the Great Northern Carousel, and the Old Fire Tower. Mount Helena provides fantastic hiking paths and breathtaking views just minutes from downtown. Number 5. Flathead Lake. Flathead Lake, a magnificent body of water in northwest Montana, has over 180 miles of shoreline. Boating and fishing are popular activities, with numerous boat ramps and public access spots along the shoreline. Wild Horse Island, accessible only by boat, is still home to feral horses and offers ferry, kayak, and powerboat rentals. Number 4. Missoula. Missoula, the Garden City, is located in the northern Rockies and known for its dense tree cover and green surroundings. The University of Montana is situated here, along with historic sites like the Roxy Theater, Missoula Art Museum, and Cars Park Carousel. Enjoy rafting down the Clark Fork River or strolling along the scenic Kim Williams Trail. Number 3. West Yellowstone. West Yellowstone is a year-round outdoor playground. In spring, it brings wildlife newborns and picturesque landscapes. Summer offers whitewater rafting, hiking, fishing, and mountain biking. Fall features the elk mating season, and winter brings cross-country skiing, ice fishing, sled dog trips, and snow coach or snowmobile rides into Yellowstone National Park. Number 2. Bozeman. Bozeman in southwest Montana is a university city and gateway to Yellowstone National Park. The Custer-Gallatin National Forest and Bridger-Bowles ski area provide a picturesque background for traditional Montana adventures. Bozeman is known for hiking, fishing, skiing, and its vibrant cultural scene, with attractions like the Pioneer Museum and the Museum of the Rockies. Number 1. Glacier National Park. Glacier National Park, located in northwest Montana, borders Alberta and British Columbia. Known as the crown of the continent ecosystem, it offers over 16,000 square miles of pristine wilderness. Explore unique wildlife, U-shaped valleys, ice-cold lakes, and picturesque mountain peaks. The Going to the Sun Road connects several of the park's most spectacular attractions, with hundreds of miles of hiking trails for an up-close experience. Which one is on your travel bucket list? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Explorer Hub for more amazing travel content. Until next time, happy exploring!